Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Functional Job Description Tool module. This module is designed to list the core functional movements and demands required for each individual job role related to the workplace. It helps employers define the physical skills required for each role. The information entered can be used both as a tool to assist doctors to identify suitable duties for workers with workers' compensation claims and to assist employers with the pre-employment candidate screening processes. Like all system modules, it's accessible via the module navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below are the main controls, in this case the plus icon that allows creation of a new record and the export icon that exports all the data from this module in CSV format. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools that are common to most modules in the system. Entering 3 or more characters into the search field starts presenting relevant results that can then be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results that are being returned. To clear the results and view the full list again, either reselect the module from the module navigation menu or clear the search field and then reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. The filtering controls are common to most system modules, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows an export of the filtered search results in a CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area in the list is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view or an extended view of each record. The up and down arrows to the left and right of the list headings area sorts the records in either ascending or descending order by the job title or the date the record was created. When a brief summary of each record is displaying in the list, the Actions icon to the right of each record opens the action controls in a pop-up. When the extended details of each record are being displayed in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible within each record. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace and the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which explains the module functionality in greater detail. It appears when you're logged in on a desktop computer. We also recommend you check out the System Overview for Mobile tutorial on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.